Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use recurring tasks in Todoist. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to todoist.com. Over here, log in with your email and password or choose continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple. After that, on your Todoist dashboard, click the Add Task button. Then, in the task name field, type your task along with the recurrence phrase, for example, send weekly newsletter every Friday. Todoist will highlight the recurrence phrase in red. Once you complete a recurring task, it will automatically reappear on the next scheduled date. If you want to change the repetition pattern, open the task details and edit the recurrence phrase. Over here, upcoming recurring tasks will be labeled with their next scheduled date, making it easy to track your schedule. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next